Did you order more allicate gel?
Yeah.
Are you lying?
It's on my to-do list.
So that's a no?
I can explain.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Vision Rights. So today I'm going to be showing you a wash and go to help if you have thin natural hair, like thin density, finer strands like I do. So I usually have an issue, right, with when I do my wash and go and I use like a heavy gel or just a gel in general. My hair is so flat, and you know when you do your wash and go and that first day, like that first day after, it's so flat and like stuck to your scalp. But other naturals though, y'all get to have the capability, I should say, to then have your second, third, 4 days be nice and fruitful and voluminous and extra, while mine be like 4 days and still look like it's the first day. Alright guys, so I have already washed and conditioned my hair. Quick note, I've been hearing people say that they like to know what I'm using for my wash day. I use the Miche Moisturizing and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Y'all, this stuff is so good. I've never been able to detangle with a shampoo until I use this stuff. Like, y'all. And then I use the Miche Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. Alright, so as always, we're going to be using the Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner by Allicate Naturals. I'm going to be giving you tips and tricks throughout the video, so make sure you watch the whole thing. Don't be skipping it like that. While you're here, you might as well subscribe if you like these types of helpful videos, because I be not just giving you hair content, but content that makes sense and is catered to your specific needs. So the tip I'm going to give you is don't use a very heavy leave-in conditioner for your wash and go. You don't want your hair to be weighed down. So I know a lot of us hate a spray leave-in conditioner, hence this one, but to be honest, it's such a good lightweight leave-in conditioner that look, just use it.
No, let me tell you something.
The only time you want your natural hair to be weighed down is for a twist out or braid out, because you want the elongation. If you have low density, low density, fine textured hair, use less product. And so for me, I have to use a curling cream in conjunction with a leave-in conditioner and a gel, because that just gives me the most definition and also the most moisture. So I have to kind of do that. Now I'm going to be using the Allicate Naturals Creme Brulee Curling Delight. And this stuff is super yellow. Like, y'all, what is this? It smells like a pie. Is creme brulee a pie? Okay. Creme brulee is a dessert. Okay, that was dumb.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take a little bit. Again, a little bit goes a long way. Oh my god. The combination of the curling cream and this stuff feels so good. If you want voluminous hair, as in general, even on first day, don't put too much product on your roots. I know all these naturals say focus on your roots, focus on your roots. No. When it comes to a wash and go, when you have very fine hair, you do not want it to be super flat. Flat's not cute. So don't put too much gel on your root. Like, touch a little bit just so your hair isn't dry or not defined, obviously. But as you can see here, my roots are not like slapped to my head. So another technique that I do is I put my fingers through my hair and then I shake it like that. And then I let it go. And then it clumps. Alright, so the back is done. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Now, another tip. Us having low density and like fine hair, our wash and goes go bloop, like just go straight down. And it has no volume up here. The trick to doing this is the way that you do the front of your hair. So this is super important, so follow along. When you're applying your products in the front, bring it towards your face. And by doing this, it gives you the illusion of it being lifted and more volume. So you see how I'm going this way as opposed to going like this? I'm not going down, I'm going forward. See how it kind of looks more volume already? Just illusion. If I did it flat, this wash ago would have been flat. This side of my hair, my left side, has a huge issue with frizz. And I guess this is going to help someone if you have different textures like I do. This side is a lot looser, and it takes a lot more for it to curl to match this side. And so that's one of the reasons why I loved using the Alake Naturals Hold It Styling Gel. As we have already discovered, there's not much in here from Bay. Now I'm mad you left this little bit. Now let me show you guys what he left me. Can y'all see that? This gel is clear, but what is it?
It's the last slice of the pizza. That's what that's called. That's the last bite of the sandwich.
But anyways, needless to say, I'm going to take a little bit of the gel and put on this side because this side needs more assistance. It needs a heavier gel because this side is prone to frizz. But I'm still going to do the same technique in terms of I'm not putting too much on the roots. Ooh, what is that? Why don't I have a mirror? As you can see, it clumps it a lot better. I just scraped the hell out of this lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. This is completely empty. He better order some gel. But anyways, this is what my hair is looking like. You could already tell that there's going to be volume on day one. I'm going to air dry my hair and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright y'all, so it's been a couple hours. How voluminous my hair looks just air dried. Now to some people it's not going to look that voluminous, but for my hair this is a lot more voluminous and bigger. A lot more movement. I'll put a comparison side-by-side picture. Let me go over here. Side-by-side picture of what my hair typically looks like when I use the Alake Hold It Gel by itself along with the Talia Rigid Curling Cream. My hair's a lot flatter. But this, I have much more volume. I haven't picked or anything yet. So imagine what it will look like once I stretch and pick it a little bit. But either way, I instantly have a lot more volume in the front and also in the back. Let me show you. And so with this wash and go, it allows me to have more volume, more movement. It's very lightweight, but it has a lot of definition, a lot of shine, a lot of body, like all that good stuff. So I hope this video helped you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more helpful videos from me. And I'll catch you next one, guys. Bye.